So over here you can see that I have a picture opened up in Adobe Photoshop Elements, and now let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a brightness and contrast adjustment layer and then work around with it. So here in the expert mode itself, I already have a picture opened up, and if I were to go around under layers right here, just like this, then over here on the top on the adjustment layer options, you can go around and select brightness and contrast right here. So once you select that out, here you can see that there's brightness and contrast as an option. So you can go around and increase and decrease out the brightness according to how you like, which controls out the brightness of the overall picture. And you can also go around and change around the value of the brightness to, let's say, for example, 70 right here. You can go around and make it 20 to let's say decrease it, or you can go around and type in minus as well, minus values as well. So you can go around and then decrease out the value according to how you like. And to increase the difference between the black and white portions of the image, you can go around and increase and decrease the contrast level over here as well. So that is how you can go around, and since this is an adjustment layer itself, you can turn off the adjustment layer or enable it, and the brightness and contrast settings that you selected will be applied onto the picture, that is all the layers beneath it. So that is how you can work around with the brightness and contrast adjustment layer inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.